Unlock your future, a step-by-step guide for how to apply for a work permit in Finland. Applying for a work permit in Finland involves several steps. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Determine your eligibility. Check your occupation. Make sure your job is eligible for a work permit. Certain professions may have specific requirements or exceptions. Verify residence requirements. You need to have a valid passport and meet specific criteria related to your country of origin. 2. Obtain a job offer. Secure employment. Before applying, you must have a job offer from a Finnish employer. Confirm job details. Ensure that your job offer includes details like job title, salary, and contract length. Step 3. Gather required documents. Passport. Ensure it is valid for the duration of your stay. Job offer letter. Include details of your employment and employer. Proof of qualifications. Provide evidence of your educational background and work experience if required. Photos. Present passport size photos as per Finnish specifications. Proof of accommodation. Details of where you will stay in Finland. Health insurance. Evidence of health insurance coverage for the duration of your stay. Step 4. Apply online or at a Finnish mission. Online application. You can apply online via the Finnish Immigration Service or Migri website. Create an account. Register on the Migri online service. Fill out the application form. Complete the work permit application form. Upload documents. Attach all required documents. Pay the fee. Pay the application fee online. Paper application. You cannot apply online, you can submit a paper application at the Finnish mission or embassy or consulate in your home country. Download and complete the form. Get the application form from the Migri website. Submit documents. Submit all required documents along with the completed form. Pay the fee. Pay the fee as instructed by the mission. And in order for you to pay the fee, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 5. Attend an interview if required. Schedule an appointment. If required, you may need to attend an interview at the Finnish mission or local authorities. Prepare for the interview. Be ready to discuss your job, qualifications, and reasons for moving to Finland. Step 6. Wait for a decision. Processing time. Wait for the processing of your application. This can take several weeks to a few months, depending on the type of permit and your individual circumstances. Check status. You can check the status of your application online through the Migri service. Step 7. Receive your work permit. Notification. Once approved, you will receive a notification from Migri or the Finnish mission. Collect permit. If you applied at a mission, you may need to pick up your permit there. If applied online, you might receive it by mail. Step 8. Travel to Finland. Prepare for arrival. Ensure all travel arrangements and accommodation are in place. Border control. Present your work permit and passport upon arrival in Finland. Step 9. Register with local authorities. Register your address. Register your address with the local population register office in Finland. Obtain a residence permit. If applicable, get a residence permit card from the police station. Step 10. Start working. Follow local regulations. Ensure compliance with Finnish employment laws and regulations. Get social security number. Apply for a Finnish social security number if needed. Make sure to check the Finnish Immigration Service or Migri website for the most current information and requirements, as immigration policies can change. And there you have it, your enchanted guide to unlocking new opportunities and embarking on your Finnish adventure. Remember, every step you take is a step towards a brighter future and a new chapter full of magic and possibilities. Your journey is not just about paperwork. It is about dreams becoming reality, making the world a little smaller and a lot more magical. As you set out to explore the land of Finland, embrace each moment with wonder and positivity. The path to your new life is paved with opportunity, and with every challenge you overcome, you are one step closer to achieving your dreams. Here's a special quote to keep you inspired. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Peter Drucker. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey of discovery and preparation. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more enchanting tips and tricks. Share your own adventures and let us keep the magic alive together. Until next time, may your journey be filled with wonder and success. Keep believing in your magic and never stop reaching for the stars.